What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another drawing tutorial Patreon request today from Emmanuel. Another Edgerunners. He's going through all the characters. Gloria Martinez today. So, Gloria Martinez is only in this show for like 11 minutes. So there's no pictures. So I have the one from the car, Emmanuel. I hope this is alright, where she's like looking at David. So let's give this a go. Landscape page, pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. Typical anime eyes. Center point of my page, probably there. We're going to start with the eye, bang in the middle, right? So we'll go diagonal. Up that way. And then this goes across, relatively straight across here. Might be a bit bumpy or curvy. And of course there's like a little spike of an eyelash coming out the front. Now I will thicken these lines up. We'll just get the structure in first. So this goes diagonally down this way. Okay. There's like a little flick on the end, right? Her bottom eyelid isn't really drawn in. It's just like colored in white, but they have like eyelash lines. I might draw it in. It's because it make things easier. So we'll just like go around this way. Nice. And then they add like little eyelashes sort of coming off here. Little lines going around, right? So what I got to do now is thicken up that top eyelid line, make it more anime style, sort of spiky, and some parts thicker than others, right? So like that. And then this sort of comes across this way, right? So it's a heavier line, much darker than the others. And then this goes down that way. Okay, so that's basically her eye, right? So she's looking at David over to the left. I can't really see her pupil in there. Okay, so we'll go from the top, eyelid down. A semicircle. It doesn't have to be a perfect circle. Okay, and then pupil sort of in the middle here. And we'll just color this black. Like so. Right, so then eyebrows, just this spike going back that way. Got a bit of a bend in it there. And then we make it thicker and pointy at the front here. She's got a bit of a frown line there. And then the eyelid line. Like so. And then her nose, right? So she's in 3/4 pose. So just here, it's probably nearly a full eye width between the tear duct and the nose here. So you have a little curved line. Nose comes out, curves around this way, down, into there. And then nostril here. So then top eyelid comes out from just here. It's in line sort of with the other eyelid there, see? So we'll go, and this eye is smaller because we're in 3/4 pose, right? So it's just a thicker line again. Kind of spiky on the end. And then we have the spike that comes down here. And then our bottom eyelid line. Around like so. And then we've got some eyelashes there. So she's looking to the left again, so we do the eye in the left hand side. Around like that. And then her pupil in the middle. Looking at us that way. So her brow, sort of frowning line, goes that way, and then her eyebrow will come out from there. Like that. And then the top eyelid line comes over that way. So her mouth just below the nose, right? Simple sort of line, right? So it goes down, curves around, top lip, down the back, and sort of smiling in the corner, right? It's kind of a bumpy enough mouth line like that, right? And then her bottom lip, just here. And then her chin, kind of small, just curves around that way. And like roughly eyebrows to the nostril will be about the same as nostril to chin. And so there and there is about the same. And then nostril to bottom lip, about the same as bottom lip to chin. Okay, just if you were dividing things up, that's roughly the proportion of the face in this instance. So then her jaw, that direction. And because we're in 3/4, we see her cheek on this side. So it bends in towards the mouth first, right? So it goes in and then curves out around the cheek. So see, it goes in a little bit and then starts to come out like around the face shape. This cheek line coming up this way. And go underneath her hair here. All right, but bends in and then sort of out for her brow and up around here. So that's the way you sort of draw a face. It's different in like every anime, but when a face is in 3/4, the face shape. So she's got a big collar, right, that cuts off her jaw here. Right, and this goes like back around the back of her head, back out here somewhere. Okay, it's just this kind of square box. And then she has long pieces of hair that stick down. So it's like these sort of long strands of hair going down that way. And then we can see her ear in behind. And the ear line's in there. So then her fringe curves down over her head. So we got like long pieces of hair. Some of them go like over her eye. And it kind of seems to come around her head again. So it's like bumping around here. And then we have another section here. And like, you know, strands of hair going up this way. And then there's like a gap in the hair here, so there's like another little line going this way. There as well. And then there's a piece of hair that kind of sticks out on its own, sort of here. And then we start to go up around her head. And there's a long spike that comes down this way. And then it goes back up that way. So she's got just round sort of head going back up around the top of her head then. Right, going back this way. And sort of down around the back of her head. And sort of all hair's kind of tied up here. You could have different sort of textures and everything. like so. And then she appears to have a ponytail, so I can't really see it in the picture I'm drawn from. So let me see. I've got like a different one that I could try and use. So there's like a clip, like a golden clip. So let's see, let's try this. So where would it be? I'll go here. And it kind of comes down like that. And then there's like different sort of sections in it, different sort of dark and sections like that. And then she has like sort of hair spikes coming out from here. And it goes, eventually kind of starts to go around her hair this way. It spikes out a couple of times. Right. This is like, we'll have sort of texture and stuff on it here. If you want, of course. Right, and then her shoulder, so her shoulder sort of goes this way. She's driving the car, so her arms are out this way. And then we can see her neck in there. And then the shoulder sort of keeps going back around that way. And then she has that grey edge to the collar, just these details on the collar now. Oh, where does it go at the back? I can't see it. Where does it go back there? Sorry, now I have to look up a picture of David, his jacket. It continues all the way around, so it goes around there, and then we have a box in here. So there's another bit of the jacket that goes around the back of her head, I guess, sort of this way. And then the front of the collar comes out here. And there's like a little box or something here. And then some lines at the back. And then details on the front of the jacket as well. Like that. You can add some textures to her hair if you want. Gloria Martinez, David's oh, the box is on her face. That was close. I nearly stopped. So she's got these like two boxes. It's obviously a Cyberpunk mechanical thing. So like, and there's these little triangles on the bottom, it looks like that. Gloria Martinez. Hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.